In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delay delivery of emails in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you are using the new Outlook, Outlook on the web, or the classic desktop app, I'll walk you through how to schedule an email to send at the exact time you want. Let's start with the new Outlook and Outlook on the web experience. Begin by composing a new email as you normally would. When you are ready to set the send time, look for the small drop-down arrow right next to the send button. Click that arrow and choose Schedule Send. You'll see a few preset options, like sending later in the day or the next morning, which are handy if you just need a quick delay. If you need a specific date and time, select the custom option and set the exact moment you want your message to go out. Double-check the time zone if you travel or work across regions, since the send time follows your current Outlook time settings. When everything looks good, click Send. Your message will be queued and automatically delivered at the time you selected. The best part here is that, because this scheduling happens in the cloud, you can close the app or your browser, and your email will still go out on schedule. Now, let's look at the classic Outlook desktop app. After composing your message in a new mail window, go to the Options tab at the top of the message window. Click Delay Delivery. If you don't see it immediately, it may appear under More Options. Then Delay Delivery. In the Delivery Options section that opens, check the box labeled Do Not Deliver Before, and then set your desired date and time. This tells Outlook to hold the message until that moment. Click Close to return to your email, then click Send. The email will move to your outbox and stay there until the scheduled time. Keep in mind that for the classic desktop app, Outlook needs to be running and connected for the message to leave your outbox at the scheduled time. If you typically shut down your computer, just make sure Outlook is open around the delivery time so it can send. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.